Kublai pi barwa ni pedang sobhai pi sakatuk kubor jo upek ngor cable news. Haswa mengini sedang yaki kubor ke jongi mita kata yau ini kemi syuai kimat bakongsan. Pensyong syed ke AITC ke san perthaya ke jela de ke jengkenok persyak ke sarkar MDA badi menteri rang bak ke jela. Rai ke sarkar ban penkeladur ke dukom trekam ke MECL bat ban pihak nok la ke jong ya ke kam chairman bat managing director. Tiar jurip UDGP ya ke than mat pran jayau bajur ke jeng syok klep ki bar jela. Dawa ke HYC no lampang ke yin rabar thoan ban pak tokit ha ke CBI halor ke jeng tei thmai ya ke assembly. Ya ki klemput kinong hikai ad hoc ba penken ke sarkar ya la ke kulak. Bat ke jeng kumpuk bor ki kena ban lat ke jeng mensau bat ban pelat ru ikibei na ke jeng mensau. Ka All India Trinamool Congress menta kata yau kala yuk ban pli ya ke office rekam ke jongka ha kanong bak shalong. Bat ha kani kesengi kala penlong ru ya ke jeng yelang penrung dukot ya ki pat ba ban lak pensuk thiet ya ka seng ha ke lengki constituency jong ke jela kum ke jeng pen kre ke election MLA 8,000 arpulai.
Hagani ke jeng plek office rekam jong ke AITC Meghalaya leidon lang presiden ke AITC Meghalaya uba Charles Pengrop unong elam kaliang persya ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela u Dr. Mukul M Sangma nang ta u Dr. Manas Ranjan Bhunia uba kemi ya ke AITC Meghalaya ki MLA ki MDC bat kinong kitkam jong ke AITC. Hadin kani u Abhishek ulalej ban ajingkrani kinong elam bat kinong kitkam jong ke AITC bat baba ulapoy kan ke jaka. Kinong elam pada kispangot kinong kersan ke AITC kelap pediang buram ya uni General Secretary jong ngani geseng. Haba jingkran ke jengelang Abhishek uloong bagi sarkar NPP kala leklet ke jela ya ke bahaka miat jugi pat ba ke jela bat kala long tang sarkar ke belasya apniat ke seng BJP. Bat ke jela Meghalaya ke belatip kum keri ke badap digilo mentah kala long ka ketem jong ki kam bamsap. Bat don kam ban pentela no ikani. Ulang bamdai ban ailat baka Meghalaya kan pendam miladia hakmat jangka Gujarat ne Delhi. Bat kamdai ban penjak buram miladia bat kamdai hi macap tiang ya gijing berngam berset ke bawah ne Delhi, Gujarat ne Madhya Pradesh. Bat kinong Meghalaya ke ban im ya gijing im ke badan buram. Uni unang ilam ulang badai tang ke Trinamool Congress ka bat aya kata kerensan bat ulah penting kena bagi jela Meghalaya kan sensyari ke Meghalaya bat ke West Bengal kan sensyari ke Meghalaya. Ulang bahagari India bergawai ditang ke Meghalaya bagi sangut ki MLA jengka Kongres, arngut ki MLA ke BJP, ki MLA ke NPP, UDP ke belatau ke sorkat senrop lang ban sensyara ke jela. Bat kelong ke bamlak ban mudur bagi Kongres kan kersan ya ke BJP bat ke NPP. Abhishek ulang ru bau Konrad Kongkal Sangma udai ban penkela kerteng no ya ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, syaka My Development Alliance. Namar kinung nugi Kampung Roy ki belajah kini sansnem ki belalet ki datang ki Kampung Roy yau Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Ulang ba kajing penbet yo pot usam kalong ke bajak buram namar ki brio ke beli embrush kata kum kinong syong ke Meghalaya mentah kin kelalong no kinong syong ke Assam. Bad Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulasyim kini kerai tang ban penuh ki Konrad ke badana Delhi. Bad habawi kenduk kinong elam Delhi udah nguk sendon ki. Uni unang elam ke AITC ula kentu kipat ba ke jela bakin kersyano ya ke Trinamool Congress bakar wanra ke jengkela ke sensyar kadar daga bapenliam no ke sarkar ke belam da ke NPP ke bela sensyar nalendat pat da ke BJP.
AITC is a national party but it's a national party with regional ethos. So Trinamool Congress is going to put its entire might and contest the upcoming assembly elections in all 60 seats. And like you all know, we have launched a membership drive today, and we are asking and appealing to every Meghalayan who wants to be associated and who are desperately looking for the change. You have to take the baton on yourself, and you have to take it on you and make sure that the proxy NPP government is defeated in the months to come. I think every state has its own ethos and heritage and culture. Obviously, after winning Bengal, we went to other states. We went to Goa, we went to Tripura, we went to Assam, we have stepped into Meghalaya. A political party which will put its entire weight and ready to take on the proxy BJP government head on, or they will ultimately be helping the BJP. So the narrative lies on them, depends on them. BJP lost West Bengal for that matter. That didn't stop BJP from entering into states like Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, or for that matter Meghalaya. Losing an election in a state is a completely different story. Every state is different. As a democratic party, as the world's largest democracy, we have got every right to go and appeal to the people. It is ultimately to the people to decide what is best in their interest. So Trinamool is the right platform. We are the only political party in the country who has not cowed down to their agency threats and their tantrums and fancies. We are at the ground. We are taking BJP head on. We could have entered into another state where Congress is in power. We haven't gone. We are only going to state where a credible alternate to the ruling BJP dispensation is missing. We have stepped into Tripura, we have stepped into Meghalaya. A credible opposition is missing. And it is the opposition's job to hold the present incumbent government accountable, to make sure that the government is able to operate remaining within the ambits of constitution, that the government is able to keep on its poll promises, that the government is able to cater to the most poorest of poor of the state. The government is able to cater, and every person in the state has the access to the best healthcare facilities of the educational system. So this is also the role of the opposition, to make the government accountable and show its place. If they do anything wrong, they will be taken to task. So that is the role All India Trinamool Congress is playing. An election is always fought on principle, and the party's principle is the people's interest. If BJP is controlling and drawing up the strings from Delhi through NPP in Meghalaya, we will hold them accountable and we will take them head on. That was the role of the opposition, which was missing all these years and all these months in Meghalaya, and we have shown them their place. Meghalayans will not be cowed down, and they will not be as second-class citizens in their own state. So elections are fought on principles, and elections are fought on values, ethics. Trinamool Congress will do that.
Hakabede bagajingja jongki kato kaningut ki MLA ki ITC ki bamsham lawani shimbenta hagajingelang bat kajing sapriang ki kubor baar ne langut ki MLA ki ITC ki net pnia sono bat ki weipat ki sangsan perthai. Nakaliang Abhishek Banerjee ulong bagino kino ki breo ki basngoya hab ikanong rem jongka ITC ka seng ka kloy ban pediang ye ki breo ki ban ki weipat ki seng. Nrai lada ki don kino kino ki bam menjor ikanong rem jongka seng ITC kila banit pnia sono ila dia ki weipat ki sangsan perthai. Hakabede bagajing keno baka AITC kedai keseng sen perthai jongki Bengali. Abhishek ulong bagi liang persya ken kentok bed. Hakabaya ka Kongres la sedang na Maharashtra hato kan Daino ka Marathi Party. Ka AAP ka la sedang na Delhi hato kan Daino ka seng na Delhi. Bat ka AITC kedai ka National Party ka belayo agajing itu na ki Election Commission. Bat gilang persya ken persyang bed ben keno baka Trinamool Congress kedai keseng Bengali namar kami na Bengal. Bat ulakop dak boong balada tahu ke sarkar bathamah ke senam banwan ke Bengal kan omdan bentai ai Bansan Shar ya ke Jela Meghalaya.
So if some MLAs join Trinamool Congress thinking that they might be getting a ticket to contest, our first and foremost priorities are the interest of the people residing in the state. And if someone can align with the party's ethics, values and party's ideologies, and keep their self-interest aside and people's interest foremost, I think we are ready to welcome any of such individuals who belongs to some other party. And if someone who doesn't align to that ideology and principle is open to go to some other political party. So we are not here to accommodate an individual based on his own self-interest. If someone has any self-interest and someone has any agenda, he wants to accommodate and put his own interest above the party's principle, party's ideologies and people's interest. It's a democratic country, he is free to do whatever he wants.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalarai menta ban penkelano ekrukom trekam jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Bat ban piano laka jong yaka kam chairman kam managing director jong ka corporation kanang baka corporation kan la ban keladur. Bat la ban kersian la dia ha kajing syakri ban penbiang boarding hapok kejela.
Ka jingelang jong ka kunhun menteri ke belalong ha ka arpenyo trek jeliau arhajar arpuar. Kalasi megarai ban penkelano ikerukom trekam jong ka MEECL balik isnat trekam jong ka. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba sarkar jela kelarai ban piano ya kekerdan chairman ban managing director jong ke MEECL bat larai ru bantung no yo managing director bapura jong ke MEECL ubala bandai UIAS new technocrat uba syampang hakaliang ki core technology ya ka ba sejiat aklenti ke bakhoi. Ubreu ban long managing director unlong ru Managing Director jong ke MEP GCL, MEP DCL dan MEP TCL. Kadba Non-Executive Chairman jong ke MEECL unde Menteri Kambording, kadba ki Chairman jong ke MEP GCL, MEP DCL dan MEP TCL. Kila abandai Chief Secretary ne Additional Chief Secretary ne Principal Secretary ki bepet ketenat boarding. Ulaong bahakisan pos nam ki balalet ke MESEB ne ke MEECL kadai gebela penyat di ki officer ke Sarkar Jela ki babat ru ki we ki tenat. Bat kalong ke ba shibun ya ki bakin pelut kambun ke por bat ke bor ban penyat ya ke corporation. Bala syemi ke negara ne ke benta ke bahakamiat bat ban penjanai ke rukom trekam jong ke corporation berokawai.
We have never had a full-time chairman or CMD. And in the past many years, the chief secretary or the principal secretary or other officials who had other responsibilities have been managing and chairing the board and more importantly managing the day-to-day affairs of the MECL. And hence we have seen that the kind of focus and attention that is required and the time that is required, sometimes due to multiple responsibilities, the concerned CMD was not able to give. And hence, the decision is to have a full-time MD who will act like a full-time CEO and be involved in day-to-day functioning without having any other responsibility. That's number one. Number two is the option, which is of course going to be the first option for us, is to get a technocrat and a lateral entry into the system, which has never been discussed or thought of before. So we have decided that we need technocrats to run MECL. So as good as the administrators and the IAS officers may be at administration, there are technical factors that are there in MECL, which officials or any other individual who does not have experience in the power sector may not have. And hence a person with experience in the power sector and in running PSUs, similar PSUs in the past, would be preferable, and we feel strongly that they would do justice to the entire working of the MECL. Now, what do we expect? We expect things to improve. Now, is it going to happen overnight? It's not. There are a lot of problems that are there. But we feel that with a more focused approach, with a more full-time approach, and with a more technically sound approach, we do feel that the overall functioning of MECL will improve, and in the process, hopefully, in the long run, medium run, and to some extent in the short run also, we will see things improve in MECL functioning.
Ka Kanun Menteri kala Shimru ikarai ben itu purano ya kishajar arspa teli kilong yeng kibasa abian ya kacaka sarkar ka badan habal Sri Gitem bad Wari Nagre kibahab ha William Nagar ha distrik East Garo Hills kum kinong Shongwai. Menteri rangba ulong bagadaw ko bala penlong ya sarkar ban shim ka negarai kadai namar banad o kasnam arhajar lai. Kakanhun Menteri jong sarkar Jela kladak ban shim ka negarai ban ajing itu no ikilong yeng kibasa abian kum kinong Shongwai. Nrei amsyam na pentrekam. Kasarkar kan se soino ada kesas skular bat baro kini kilong yang bagian long no kinong Shongwai. Nrei kajaka long terakhir da kasarkar Jela bat an mangru 10,000 square feet ya kawai kalong yang. Bat kador jong baywai an pensyong nongrem kat kum kejing bodor jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ulong ba kajaka Wari Nagre kalong R.Sannot lak pengkashi bigha. Pada kejaka habal Sri Gitem on pensyongdor iway poin pranyo lak si bigha bat kilong yang kenhab ru ban siaw ke baywai malang benai. Ulong ba habal Sri Gitem kidan praspa prapun rew teli kilong yang ke basyong basa balak milenti beni alum kajana sisien pra kelur bat man la kasnam an yo alum kombaar poin rew nyo klur tengka. Kat baha Wari Nagre kidan saus pa prateli kilong yen ke basyong basa pergesorkar kan ya alum khajna ke basisien sau poin san klur tengka bat shiklur tengka man lau snem. Menteri rangba ulong bak sorkar kan syim ya kajuk kesenjam hak baydai bagajaka ke badan hak kanong ba tura. Bat menta ka jinglek sor jamin kanang ya cekmat. Namar bon ki jaka ki balasa abean ki patba kanang ba nyo banai jing itu ono ikini kilong yeng kum kinong Shongwai. Kat baya kajaka long try bet ke sarkar.
The first thing is there are only two ways to move forward in a situation like this. One is to evict the people who are staying there. And second is to find a way to settle things and find an amicable solution. And we strongly felt that, number one, there have been instances in the past when such things have taken place. And number two, that the situation right now with these people staying there for many, many decades, if eviction were to be done, it would lead to law and order situation at very, very extreme end. Hence, and court cases are happening. Always the things go to court. We keep fighting. There's always uncertainty. There's always a sense of tension. So the government and the cabinet felt that the best way in creating a win-win situation would be to keep the ownership with the government, with specific conditions mentioned, allow the people to stay there on a lease and a long-term lease basis, earn revenue while we do that, and as I said, and have a specific control over any kind of future situations that may come up. So it's a decision that the government has to take. In the past, the governments, in some areas, as I said, William Nagar was, of course, the decision was made long time back, but it wasn't implemented. We felt that it's important to go ahead with it. So that's the decision that we took, and we feel that keeping the larger interest of the people in those areas, it's the right way to move forward.
Habakli lek sarkar kansi megane ke juk senjam ha kabayday berkatam metor. Menteri rang ba ulong bah kabayday berkatam metor kidan dagiway pat gidau mereka high level committee kelatrekam bah halor kani kamat. Kebelah saat yang labun senam badan ia baca kejeng start jangka high level committee bagan wat kilat kelenti ban penbet no ekane kamat.
We will see in the Harijan colony issue there are different factors. It's not similar to area that is this. There is much more to it. There is land issues, the land disputes. I think overall the committee that is being set up is doing an excellent job. An issue that has been pending for such a long time was finally taken up, and steps have been taken to move forward, and we're actually seeing that that there could be a solution, and we'd actually be able to resolve this problem. So we'll leave it to the high-powered committee headed by the Deputy CM, which is doing an excellent job, and I'm very confident that they will be able to find a permanent solution to this.
Ha kawai petkaliang o Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bag sarkar jela kadan kam banyo kambun ka baha tengka na kebentaban maramot ni penpai kejing tei kebelasya penjulor na kejing tua kendo kejing sleium bat kejing ter ulap ba ha kejela. Ulong hadian balasaki kejing jor jong kejing sya penjulor hakibor kamariang. Kalong kebadan kam banyo bun syuk ke baha tengka ban ya keba la antat nengkong. Bandon kam kumbalai sepak klur tengka. Ulo angkat bagi dang ap banduan lum jingken ke kenhuan jong sarkar pedeng komta ulo betha ke tanak sarkar bagi net kemi ke jinglong jingman bat ban maramot mardor gi bentai ke bagi sarkar kan omdan kami ke jingerap na ke sarkar pedeng.
So initially when I had decided to meet the Honorable Home Minister, I decided that I must go with him with the preliminary report and also estimate of what we thought the damages were. So based on that, within the 24 hours which we got, the PWD and all the other departments were asked to make different assessments that are there based on roads, agriculture, farms, houses, damage, and all the kind of relief material that we may require. And within the short period while these things were happening, I asked for the report. They said that there's a challenge. I said I need to go with a figure. And we came out with the 300 crores based on the road damages and the other damages which I mentioned. When I went to the Honorable Home Minister told me that let us review this entire thing. I will send a central team. Let us do as an accurate assessment as possible, and then let's come to a figure. I agreed to that, and I was happy that he suggested that. And based on that, obviously, he asked me also to make a trip and see the assessment myself. And central team also should make assessment. When I went to the field, and as I said, I don't want to go into the details of all of that again, but when I went to the field, I could see with my own eyes that the damages really were unimaginable. And if you see some parts of Siju, you won't believe that it's a road. It's like got rocks, like as if the whole room is filled up with rocks. There's no road, you cannot see anymore. It's just piles of rocks and big boulders in the middle of the road, and you're struggling to figure out where the road is. So therefore, after seeing all of that, we realized that there is much more damage. And accordingly, I have informed the MHA and Honorable HM about the damages. And he has once again reiterated that we must let the central agencies work with the state agencies and come up. But while we do that, I have also asked my own departments to assess the situation overall and try to find out where we can immediately, even without the help and support of Government of India, the areas where we can immediately work on, like there's certain bridges which need to be repaired immediately, which can be saved. There are some areas which require minor repair of certain roads. There are certain areas which require minor repair for houses, or even if there are houses that are completely washed away, government can go ahead and give shelter to these people and build up houses. So those emergency cases and the cases which will not require complete central assistance because the scale is not that large, we have decided to go ahead with those areas also. But the assessment is massive, and I don't think it will be correct to say that it will be X or Y amount, but it will be definitely more than the initial assessment which we made of 300 crores, which happened in whatever 24 hours we had at that point in time.
U Konrad Kongkal Sangma uleto ba Shen unsalum ke jingelang jong ka MDA na kebenta menyata helor election president jongari. Ulang bakum u presiden jong ke NPP ulalik benterwai ke kertong yang monlang jong sorkar NDA badaswa benecha Delhi ru ule kenjok ketian ikinong elam jong ki section pertai ki bedon lang ha ke MDA ban kershan ke kertong yang monlang jong ke NDA banyo agajat benrio riu luom kum ka presiden keri. Ulang Bashan unsalum ya kejingilang bat barok ki section pertai ki bedon ha ke MDA na kebenta banyo ya kejing kershan.
We have not decided yet, but it will be done soon. But before I went for putting my name as one of the proposals, which was requested and asked by the leaders of the NDA and the BJP, that they would want me also to sign and be present in the nomination. I had spoken to almost all the coalition partners, and I have requested them. I have told them that I'm going on behalf of the NPP and as president of the NPP to sign. But I do hope that the support of your party will also be there. And at the appropriate time, I will call a meeting. So I had briefed them. I briefed, of course, NPP. I had briefed all the leaders about my visit and the support that we will give. So at the appropriate time, maybe within a week's time or so, we'll be calling a meeting of the MDA to discuss on the presidential.
U Director General of Police Bathmai Kajala u Dr. L.R. Bishnoi hakajan mi si palay ulah hiar lit jungo ikatan mot pran jayaw ban pet ye kajinglong jingman hakani katan kam tam na kajing mi kijing ja sa shoklep jong kibar jala kibaja khari khari hakani katan yaw ni ukli du katrat pulit kajala la sanran lang dagi Superintendent of Police jong ka East Khas Hills bat kibe ki he pulit jong ka district.
U DGP Kejala ulalik jurep dah kebiak kejat agak belasan ran u da Superintendent ki Pulit City uba Vivek Sim USP Traffic US Bamania bat kibe ki hek pulit balas sedang ya kene kejing jurep nak kendai lat bat mi pat salat seosun nang ni kene ka kenhuan kala lek derung syatam metor hakaba u DGP ulek ran bat ki beri ke basa kene kejaka ban keli kejing long jingman kejongki U DGP ulayat Sha Yo Maulong bat ulami isyamat pran bat ularung Sha Mission Compound bat ulahiar Sha Kashnong Jayau. Ondalapoi ha Jayau DGP ulekran bekipat ba bat kinong syong dukan ke badan hak ni Kashnong. Bat ulekran ru bat ki katu kene gidkhot jong ka KSU ke bayangkai hakmat ke office terekam jong ka KSU. Kane ka kenhuan kalami ino na Kashnong Jayau bat kiyo Sha Kashnong Maukar bat dai pai biang syamat pran. Bat kane ka kenhuan kala penkot ikajing yat hakan dailat. U DGP u Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ulong ba kejing jurep jong u kadai bu uniok benekran bagi nong song snong ban sngu thu kejing e jongki bat ban kemi ibnia kejing long jing man ka bedai bat ki bor pahara bat lada dong dan kam on pan klan chu chu knang bagi riu shim kabu kin om yo alat ban thau yakinu kinu kejing kulmar ulong ba kejing lek jurep jong u kadai ru namar kejing yo priang kejing ujor ngi pat ba halor kejing jor jong kejing don kinong di bagi nong khai drugs bat ikajing don kam banwan ra ikajing shingan hek shnong kitau bat ikisni ki banwan an salum ikajing ilang bat kirang ba shnong bat sutu ikajing e ke baki kendo bat ban pan ikajing trilang naki bot peniat shnong
He stays in Jalam Snake, he stays on rent.
In rented house?
Yes, sir. And you are doing some job or
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a driver.
you are driver? Driver of government vehicle? Doing job, you are studying. You are on business here in Ceylon. What about you? You are also doing your own business?
Same here. Yeah.
Same. You are also doing business. You are big businessman.
Not big. Not big. We're starting it.
You are just started.
Starting it.
Okay. So basically, we have visited some areas to understand the problems faced by the peoples, and simultaneously also to supervise the existing security arrangement. If the need arises, we can strengthen the existing security. That is why I decided to speak and interact with the citizens here, so that they can tell us any problem is there or not. So I am very happy that most of the people, they are satisfied with the existing security arrangement, and we will continue to dominate the area so that the miscreants should not create any problem here. So that was the purpose of visit, and just also to understand the nitty-gritties of the area, local problems here, because these are the area like Harijan colonies, Jayao areas, and some other areas where we are receiving complaints about the drug abuse and other things. So that is why I decided to come and see personally the areas, the topography also, and to interact with the people also.
Do you have any plan to have a meeting with this Orang Baksno?
Sure. Next week, most probably Tuesday, we will be meeting with all the headmen there along with the team of my officers, and we will definitely interact with them, understand their view of the problems here in the areas, and we will seek their support and help. My message is very simple, that youth, they should concentrate on their study. They should not indulge in any illegal activities. If they have any problems, they should feel free to approach the police and the civil administration. We will try our best to redress their grievances. So they should remain away from the illegal things like drug trafficking, human trafficking, extortions, threatening people for no reasons or assaulting people. So these things will send very wrong signal outside the state also. And most of the people, they don't like these things. Fortunately, even your headmen or people from media or prominent citizens of the society, they also protested these. These are not good things for the states. So my message is also same, that they should remain away from this. They should cooperate with the police. If any problem is there, we will overcome this problem unitedly, jointly. This will continue. We will love to visit all the areas of the Shillong. We will assess the security assessment also. If we can see the area along with the officer on foot, then it can give us the better perception about the area. Our understanding will increase about the areas, and accordingly it will be easy for us to interact with people also, to understand their problems, and to plan out our strategy in case if any problem arises. So basically this will continue. We will continue to meet with people of the different localities, different areas, understand their problems.
Ha kabede bagajing jor palat jong kajing dheng kali hakanong ba Shillong. U DGP ulong baladek ban itho eki khatsan telik jaka kaba kajing dheng kali ke jorbha. Bakiladon gijing e kam tam haba kiladon ginong dia madan ke bela penon kam ke benta jong surok. Bat kene kala pensuki kajing ya kali, bat kala penmi kajing dheng kali. Ulong bagi jaka ki badan ki yau ki hat ki jaka sa ki skul ki dadon bentah ka ban penmi ki jing dheng kali bat mentah ki dan pen kre ki kat tu ni ki bentah ban le ai ban penduna no ya ki jing dheng kali. Ulong hadian baladep ban kemi ibnia badi mir jingmut bagi he pudet on sapa ka jing terwa kat kum ka jing don kam sa sarkar jela bat on banjur ka jing don kam ban penon kam dagi core technology kenang ban la ban weng ye kini ki jing e. Ha kabede bagajing penyang klub akor ki bos saw hagathan kendai lat bat ki wei pat ki jaka nakal yang USP traffic US Bamania ulong bagi ladep benekaran lor kene kaman bat ke sarkar jela kan sa penduna no ikni ki bos bat ki niok ban ya no tang hakikat tu kan ni ki benta.
See the traffic congestions as per SP traffic, there are few points, 15 odd points are there where traffic congestion is much more than any other points. Some problems are there in those areas, like the vendors, they have occupied most of the portion of the roads. Because of that, vehicle gets slowed and the traffic congestion takes place. Secondly, that is the market area also. Market area also simultaneously the residences and the schools in the locality also sometimes the causes congestions of traffics. So for that we have suggested certain point of actions for that. We will work on it, and let's hope that at least some of the congestion points we will be able to solve the problem.
We have also seen that there are a lot of these JNN, URM buses, they are parking in their own whims and fancies all over Shillong. What steps will you take, because these buses are creating a havoc in Shillong?
Actually, this you are talking about this red buses, ML01 buses. In this connection, matter has already been raised with the government, and I think they will phase out these buses in coming time, because now already contract has been renewed. So it was a matter under recent PIL also. I think in coming time the number of buses will be reduced, or they will be plying on the certain roads only.
Increase the manpower of the police personnel or the traffic personnel.
After assessing the situations at field level, after studying the traffic congestion points of Shillong, and after discussing with the traffic officers and police personnel, we will project our requirement before the government, and emphasis will be use of technology also, so that these problems can be overcome.
Kahnyau Trap Youth Council ha ka sitre unaitung kalalit ay ka dorkas ha ulam phang kayin robar thawang ke jala oba met ba lengdo. Bat dawa badai ban pak toket ha ka Central Bureau of Investigation kata ka CBI ban toket ha ka badai bat ka jingtei ya ka yin robar thawang ba thamai ke jala bat keno ba kaladon ka jing mangtam hadu san folklore tengka. Dau Executive Engineer ka PWD Buildings ya ka ni ka project.
Ki nong ilam ke HYC kilong bahadian bekladon ka jingkalem jaga dom kumta kilapan jingtip lang baga right to information ha ka bedai baga jingte ya ka assembly ke bathamai bat kilalap balamang sispa arponyo klor bansnai ke assembly ke bathamai nrei la syam baga jinglut bante ke assembly kelakot hadu sispa nyo klor tengka. General Secretary ke HYC ulong bahaga por bu Dr. Don Kuparoy ulalong ulampang yang dorbar tawan ke jela la IT ha ke Uttar Pradesh Raskri Yanigam Limited bante ke assembly ha ke jinglut ke basispa arpunyo klor tengka. Hendrai ke High Power Committee ke lebo ke jingkeli balayan penlut hadu sispa arpunyo klor haba ke PWD ke lepen krek badai ban penlut tang sispa san klor tengka. Hendrai Chief Engineer ulapen pau baga schedule of rate ke balapen krek ke rejong ke senam arajar kat san arajar kat nrio. Kat bayi ke tanda lakot ke senam arajar kat pra arajar kat kendai. Bat keladon ke jingkiu dor jeng gitar. Ulong ba ha ka kendon jong ka kontrak kat kum ka para 7. Lakado syai ba anomla bandon ganu jing penkiu biang ya ka pisah ha ka por barang ya ke jing tre bat kum ta ke HPC kala ai ke jing menjor bante ke assembly ke bathamai ha ka dor ka basis pa ar punyo klor tengka. Ulong ba ke jing te ke assembly menta kelakot ado sispa anyo punyo klor tengka bakladon ke jing penkiu hado san folklore. Bat kala bandon AH Landet. General Secretary ke HYC ulong bawa Executive Engineer ke PWD Buildings ubaran Samsutnga. Syalma panjing bit na yo ke jing menjor na ke High Power Committee ni na ke yang dorbar thawan bat manu belai bor yu ban penkieu ke pisah. Namar ka bor jong UII ban pelat ke pisah kalong tang henriau ni nyolak tengka. Luang bahalor ke ni ke jinglap jong ke HYC leng ba ke RTI kumta kladawan ulampang badai ban pha toket ke CBI ban lap ke jing shisha ba kinu ke bidan keti ke di ban sya penshitam kat kumki kendon an.
Bondang ilayo ya ka jubab na ka office ng executive engineer PWD building division ka balengo kalong ba na ka sispa ar punyo kror ka kam menta kala poi syaduk ka sispa nyo punyo kror. La escalate da kumbasan po kror tam. But nang ta syu abang ikeli la pelai pisah kat no ya ka company bo pentre ni ka kam. Kila pelai pisah tat haduk ka ni khlemat haduk sispa ndre po kror tam. But kebakan tamula kalong ba uni executive engineer PWD building uong ba ka original approved cost ka deshes pa sa huway krore. Ndre ladang ipet ya ka proceeding jong ke HPC lada ngipet ya ka LOE ya ka bala ay ka ni company kador jo ka kontrak ka desis par punyo kror na ay ba uniu executive engineer uyo ya kata ka original approved cost ka belong sis pa sa fui kror but la escalate ya kata sa ka sis pa nyo punyo kror kata kalong ka jingkeli ka bangi kum ka seng bat ngi kum ki pai bat nong snong ni kwa ban yo jingtem te ngila keliru sakawi ka jingkeli ya ka office jong chief engineer di building yang bola pa sa ka office executive engineer kalong ba pi haba khot ya ka tender haba ay ka ban approve ya ka LOA lashim ya ka approval jong ka HPC lashim ya ka approval jong ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ka bade ka try jong ka ni building naka balengo kalong pat ban penkiu ya ka dor naka sispa ar punyo kror sya ke sispa nyo punyo kror watang ban pentip ya ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ru klem pentip habangi keli haga jingnya kenduk ka jongi menta kasengi yo speaker ngila keli hatul adon jing tip ne am nakaliang jong speaker lane nakaliang jong ka HPC ya kan jing penkiu dor ka jongki nakaliang jong speaker ong ba klem don jing tip nakaliang jong ka Legislative Assembly ya kan jing le don hiru ka proceeding jong ka HPC ka belasyong ka belapan pau ba ka HPC kala approve lane kala ai kata ka jing menjur ban penkiu ya ka dor nakasispa ar punyo kror sya ka sispa nyo punyo kror pi ka jing keli ka ba ka jing dawa nakaliang jong kaseng hakmat jong speaker kalong ba pi ngilap ban ngisiem bakadon shalendat bakumno executive engineer PWD building unyo ya kabor ban escalate ya kador ka kontrak nakasis pa ar punyo kror sya kasis pa nyo punyo kror ka umut hadu sanpu kror lada fipet gi government order gyong bo executive engineer udon bor ban aikam lane ban approve ki kam ki belong san hadu nriulak tengka kajingkeli kalong ka special power ayu bu new executive engineer jong ka PWD building Shillong division uyo ban baula ban ai lane ban escalate ya kador ka jing tray hadu san phukrur tengka bat ka baar kalong bakumno klem shim ya ka approval jong ka HPC bakumno klem pentip ya ka Legislative Assembly bakadon gani ka jing penkiu ya kador bat ngila keliru ya kiai kidag bala pelong ya ka mo ban penkiu kani kador ka weni kidag ki ba ka office jong executive engineer ki ai long ba la penmi lane lasna ya kata ka basement ka belong additional ka bomdon ha ka original plan ka jingkeli bat ka jing sothu ka jongi ka long ba lada fi change ya ka DPR lada fi sna I kamera I bathmai ka umut ba filaha ban change completely ya ka DPR jong ka project tilada fi change completely ka DPR ka project hatu fila shim ya ka approval jong ka try ka bade ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly lane jong ka HPC ne fila le hi daladi ya ka kam te nakaliang jong ka seng ilap ba kani kadon shalendat jong kani ka jing penkiu dor manu ba yo nong nang ni fi ngihap ban keli bat ngihap ban ti benya ya kata namar bele le asik le sing ilap ban ong ba kani ka jing penkiu dor ka de ban pen mentoy yanu kala le si bandai ban kersan election ya kanur kandu kaseng te ban lamp ka jing sisang yong ngila dawan khmat jong speaker bo udai ban tho saka sarkar Meghalaya bakadai ban recommend nakabenta ka independent inquiry most preferably ya ka banakaliang jo kaseng yong badai bandai da ka Central Bureau of Investigation lane ka CBI
Kinong ikai ad hoc kibadon hapok ka Shatri jong ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya mentaka tayo kila pensedang biang ya kejing ya ki jong ki da ka bayi syong pat ba hakmat ka Secretariat Shillong ban pen pau ya kejing persya ka bajur halor kejing bamla jong ka sarkar ban bat ya la ka jong ka kular kata ha ka ban menjur pen kiup no ya ka tulap ka jong kinong ikai ad hoc ka bala sa teng la slam menta kani kejing hi kelas sedang biang ha ka siba ar ha ka bade ki spangut kinong ikai ad hoc kilawan ban dia lum ba dia syong pat ba ha kilenti ya ki bamar persya ka Secretariat kani karayak hi galami tang sisi hadian ba u menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma ula penlong ye ke jingyalang jong ka kunhun menteri ka bam semlai kran ye ke jing dawa bala bu hakmat da kinoi ka ad hoc habai kran ba kinong thok khubor unong aiktien ka fasdom u ba mebon lengdo ulo ong ba kinoi ka ad hoc kila rai ban mi biang sesurok namar ka sarkar jela kala shat kala yaki bat baka klembat ialah ka jong ka kular bakan sa simrai no yiki jing dawa hadien laisin syong jing yalang jong ka kunhun menteri kabla long ha ka sinengkong kinoi ke ad hoc kila dawa ek sarkar jala baka di ben penkiu no ek tulop jong ki da khat prajar man la ubenai bat ka increment ka balong 100% shisnem
ngila yakran da basyai ba ngikli ki kanutli ki cabinet meeting pidon kam ba pin ai no yang ia kata ka jing dawa jongi bat ki kila ong ba ya kata ka proposal jungi kila kampen bha ka baningkong bat ka baar ki ong ba maximum kin don kam likely cabinet meeting ki ong ru ba tharai tangha ka first na ka second cabinet meeting kin pendap no ya kata ka kam jungi hindai mentala ya likely cabinet meeting kumba ngilai imminent but amdani ai kata ka jingkren halor jong kini ki no hikai ad hoc te ngam tip ka ai ka daw hindai ba ngi tip tang ka wai ba ngi te ngin ne ka nong rem jongi ha ka ba ha ka khat ar tarik ru ngila pen kre bangin sa miet hang ne ha khmat jong kani ka sekretariat bat ngin sa miet ha kini ki lenti singkian jong ka shalong te mentas ngi ngila wan bat ngila pen kre la dia bangin sa hang ne la da ka don kita kinep kitung ki ke ru mlelai tang ba ngila pen kre bangin sa miet be hang ne baro shimet mentas ngi Hadian ba ngi ba kata ka jingkular jong ki ka kham sai so ye tingila kan bangin ong ba menta thrai kila syukular ka yang ngi te ba kila kular ka yang ngi pada ngi ne be kata ka jingi te jungi ngi ong ba lada kamjai ai tengi ngin haban wan pai sne tingila thoru ya ko open lata kata ka khat art trek jong u jelew lani ujun ngila tho shaki kot khubor ba pher bala penmit kot khubor ba pher kata ka open lata ngila ong ba lada ka sarkar ka kam sngap hi te kamut ngi ngin haban wan bat ngin haban ya protes biang sai sien te kumta ngila wan hakani ka sngi hang ne bangin protes bangin pensngau ya kita ki ya kata ka sarkar jungi ka bakulut do kata
Kini ka ad hoc kila song ye ki wat apedang kamiet ka yong hakani ka jaka bat kila sa miet ru surok ban pen i ka sarkar jela bakam dai shu ban nang thok bat pen khen ya la ka jong ka kular Kino hikai na du kilong kumi ki kinthei bi kirang ba kile sa miet hakani ka jaka da ka basyang kat ka bakiyo lum ka bakenthop na du ki sunduk kot ki flex jong ka AITC ka bawa halanti ki sengkien halor ka jengwan u general secretary jong ka shalong bat ki be Kino hikai ad hoc kila pen isi syai ka jeng satar ha ka jeng ki jong ki bat kila pen pau ba ka jengwan sa miet da surok bat ban i ala ka jong ka yeng ka sem bat ki khun ki ti bakin pet hi ala ka jing don kam ka yeng ka dei namar bakim so la shu ban ye sha ya ka jing sha le ben kan thop na do ka jing bam yo ti kana ya ka tulop bat ki be ha ka ni ka sngi kata ka sngi ba menteri ka tanat puli puthi u ba lak men remboi u la khot ya kren ni kinong elam ka fastam bat pentep ru ba ka sarkar jala ka pen khre sha ya ka kam ban a jing mun jurno ya ka jing dawa jo kinoi ka adhong Handrai kani ke jengkular kam sim la penhon satya kini hikai ki bela beteng ban penlong bet ke jeng yakhi ke baklemput ke jeng bom hon kalami halor ke jeng pentip jong menteri ba ka sarkar kadang don khambun kapor ban penbet yaki ka tu kani ki kam ki badan kam
Nyimban si da ke jeng bitar ba da ke jeng sosial yau minasa jongi namar bangi no hikai ngimdai ki bathok ni mikam hikai thok igin no ya ki khanna skol te uni uthok ting kren yangi tingi dap da jeng bitar tingi haban i gi khon ru namar ni haban pen pau sendiri namar ba ngim yo watang ka tulop ru nadu nai mat nang taw la kular ru yangi ba un ai no un enhance no an rei usu uthok tang da la su thok yangi mo ula pen kenya ka kular ka jong u te ni hab ngim ban se kin bangin wan mi wala ngi haban tiang ni surok ru te ngin yaisha ngin ap ya ka jubab hadu lanu bu ndai ya abai de ba yi hasem du kini yang hasem tingila i la ke i ngila ki habam ki haban bang ban syat ban tiu ki kat balong namar ngi hapel khat pat na ka benta ka lawai ki jong ki khun ngi nada kum boong ba ten song bangin le disum ki kelas bangin le hikai Tiki kena kin do tang kakot ndai mangi ikon kila do lot yaga fees bangin siu ngim don wat kabam la syam jeng e de kilai benai so benai ngim yo tulam nang ta itu lop ri baren kimla ban pen kiu do menta ngimla ban pendap su ya ka yeng kasem
nang thia ayeng kamusring yo kaleer ngilai slap ngilai dang ni bre ngile kumno nisu isnei kin thai bapli kinoi kai kin thai tamalong kiru ki sya jeng e mari kwa jeng kam juki ke bah sedien iki kun kiti tengiru ki pang jeng kam jeng e ki kun ki bah sedien ki bali school mar jeng se barit te hangni ngi syong ni surok ithia tamangi sinrang compare kum kin thai kam le kam da e than du ta kan ba e kin thai de tha te hayang semre ke jingbam nani ke pentia pandemi ki kun kiti te naman ngana kendiat ki lakam he kun lakam aram idon ni lok jongai penbiang mai pli ai tenri ki jingri ki jingdup bangang ri vre long ki kentei sudah ki don hiang kadon ki jing ek bakrau tamangin le kumno ngap turus ke sarkar jani po khmat kan ki yang sarkar ke bahe jong kami khalia tenri kini kile kembam sngo kimpatiau e yangi menne kila pana kila wan yangi hani kila ong ba msyak syuk pensiong ni po min po git min sekretariat tenrengi ki pak ngi kino kai skul ngimlek penkeriak sino ngimlek mar pilek ran siong mengi ni kai ke jingle ran jung pi siong bangi siong mengi ni pi mlek ran bede ngi kino kai ai jing si go biang em kini ki jing bam pe bangi wan seni bon mengilut hi pe ngilut hi bin pla tikini ki be angut ki don hi bon ai su ba pi sino kin lap pendap kat ningut kino hi kai tenrengi haplut bat bai kali bat bai bam bat bai sha lorong siong haplut pla dan senai pada gini buan nadu na sya west na jengai bana jentia bana ai gitu kan beli nalor ilop ibaret sagbagde ki barang subuh kumta kisa kumha nanong stoin sa lai 4 kilometer sa lai 1 kilometer kini ya te kumha sya boy kisa ne na pon nong po kirang bahap sa 1 kilometer lai 4 kilometer tang ka basyong kali lai steli sauteli kali kinap peteng gitu le beli ki jinut babon ba den re beli ki ong ngakli mene ki ong ngiwan babu tam bansin man kwa ke jing he ketulop kata dak pembansi ban persya ek sarkar pemerintah nomor kesyukular nrik kampen seiso te
ting rastang ini ka kam hikai junga nadu ka khatlai tarik jong nai Februari jong snem khat khandai spa khandai pulai pat nglai hikai mta kumba ar phusan ar phundu aphu snem mta ka jing jungi hang ni te kalong mta insal namar ba gumbang itip ba ngi kinong hikai hi watla da hai tulop ijing su ibarit ru ngi dot laga jong kaying kasem te habang isong ngisa haying asem ngis waram hi namar bang lia chom tunre habang isong hang ne pade kajing jungi kalong kata ka weiru bang imat ya kajing kriat khamtam le leswa ban sai ka prathei tingla yo ya kal kriat tenang ta pade landlor kata ru sa ki perjong ki bawan daj ki bawan ut ki talong skor jung ya ki bang ngimyo thia ngi chu song kumne ngi chu yu kumne ngi yo khap tang tu 10 minit 8 minit la kendit bat ngi yo sngo stang ki jing sat jong ki ti jong ki kijat lang baw perjong te tona ka benta jung ki rang ba ngas ngo ba ngam das ngo hadu kata nang isne ya kini kilong kumi bapli na lor bagi don ki balano ka karta na lor bagi don khunrit ngila kli ki ong ba na ka daw na ka benta ka jing ma jong ka ying kasem na ka benta ka jing biet jong ki khun ki ti mlele ya ki khun ni no to haying ublei un kurku ublei unang pej unang sumar ki hadu kata ki ong ngingin sa amit hang ni ngingin sa ngin chong por hang ni kat hadu baka sarkar kan jubab yangi namar ba ngimla sya asyu mentasa namar ba haka khat ar tarik jong bunai mi ngila yo ya kato ka jingkular naki ba hapadeng jong kini ki lai teligi kabinet jongki ngin sapen urlong ya kata ka papi fikwa ndre pada ngili akmen ha kato por habang ngili lek phaying baro khoj ngili akmen ndre pada ka basngo phla bat ka basngo lengo ru hadu kata bat ka basngo siro do kata ngili ap ya kita ki lai teligi kabinet ndre wat si kentin ru ngimi osngo sapang jongi hadu mendakut kata ka kabinet ru
kat hadu ba penmi ke ni ke kubor ki no hikai ki dang pen beteng bet ye ke jingi ki jongki haba shimru ye karai ba kat ba ka sarkar kam pat la ban ai ye ke jing tho ya ka hukum ka bai dei ba ke jing dawa ka jongki dalile ru ke nam let phai satya sala yeng ni sala ki jongki school ka Umsning Constituency People's Forum kalasong jingyalang hakasi palay bat kalashim ye karai ban let penia so no ela die shakaseng United Democratic Party bat ban pha ye ukurtong bakamon uba sunshine makri baun pan tiket nakani ke seng riulum ban ye khoni ke election MLA Arajat Arpulai nakani ke constituency
kapa maki kung kinong trei jong ka UCPF pi kwa bat ngi kwa ban yarum syagana apa berarti UDP pendidikan warakti UDP pendidikan warakti Peni dah kebayang. Ha kabong.
Kajing penkre ke election MLA Arhajar Arpulai kalanang kamklut haka Umsning constituency. Haga balasaki kajing sedang ban penibor deki kertong ke betu ban aireng haka ke election. Bat mentah kekenti lami sakis pangot kinong kitkam rengkat bat kinong kersan ke Umsning constituency People's Forum UCPF. Ban pa elong kertong oba Sunshine Makri banit penyasono syakasang United Democratic Party UDP ban penklan haswa ke election Arhajar Arpulai. Kini kejengkelah haka baki nong kitkam circle bat ginet baper juga UCPF bat ki hajar ngut kinong kersan kini kekenhon kilapan pau yang kejeng angnut ban yasono syakasang UDP. Bat kini kelapau pat ba kejengelang jaga Central Executive Committee kebelalong hanong thamai Umsning. Hak balawan manishim benta daki babon ngut kinong kitkam bat kinong kersan kebalapan pau ru ya kejeng terang banit penyasono syakasang UDP. Hagani kejengelang jong ke Central Executive Committee ke UCPF. Laidon lang Presiden ke UCPF uba Arbi Shadab, ukertong ke UCPF uba Sunshine Makri nalor kibai-kibai kinong kitkam. Na kaliang kinong yalam jong ke UCPF haba keren patba akan kejengelang kilapan pau yala kanya. Halo kejengyal inti jong ke UCPF hagajeng penkrea bani aireng hagi election Arhajar Arpulai. Bat kenia kelanang ya caprang, bat ban pen scam yala kekenhuan ban pen klan yukertong ban misya kemat ban yakun hakan ke election. Kini kinong yalam kila pen syairu bahadin kejing bisar benia akajing yal inti hakan ke jepen krea ke election Arhajar Arpulai. Kinong yalam bat kinong kersan ke UCPF kila pai kemat ban don langno akaseng UDP. Hagaba kilong bagade ka way ni giseng reuluam ke balarem bat ke bapau ke jela Meghalaya. Kabadan ru ikanong rem ke baskam na kebenta mensyakri yau pat ba ke Umsning constituency. Haba keren pat ba hadin kejing angnut jenginong yalam bat ginong kersan jaga UCPF uba Sunshine Makri ulapan pau bakum uwe ni kisamla uba angnut ban syakri pat ba kebena kejing syanya apa kejing iet yau. Hadin kejing yak lenti ke belania kumban ru benai yai ula syam bagi pat ba kedang pai kemat cu. Kumta ularai bani aireng hakane ke election ke Banwan. Bat un hak ban sengap bat ko agu kejing angnut jong ki pat ba ke belapan pau bu hak ban penyasono syakaseng UDP.
Naklang sungai nyimpat kut dah dukung nyimpat kut. Ninang yat kapor kanang bun. Ninang yat tandru benai. Kiwi-kiwi ki ong saw benai hindai ngabat personil andru benai yang ayat ngeduk Disember. Te kapor dok kanang don so andru nyo benai. Te ninang yat tri sutam arsyak. Bat bakum baki keran ki perlok juga mana bapin David Skotrai ya kakam kamtam kinong kikam jungi badan huni narung ki polling booth bat ki unit ro bat kumjuro ngni ki don ki perlok perjor ki bang padon ha ka polling booth nane ki unit ki bali po slong thau jungi ki laidon lang huni te naklang chunga hi ko bapin ya treshtom bapin treshitham bapin trejanai ba ngamroi ngamnom la ila ai hendai kajing ya sinyak jumpi kajing ya teli jumpi ni la ban poi syukatong kajing jumpi jungi kasyong hakti jumpi kinong kitkam
Kakenhuan na rilum jantia hapo kajing ilam jong menteri ke sarkar nakatanat arts and culture uba san borsulai haka art nyutrik ujeliu kiladik ai dorkhas ha menteri katanat transport uba dasakyat lamari banpan ya kejaka jong katanat transport haka bantai ya umat saknam jong wok yang nang ba haka senang mi mentudu jawai.
Ki kenhuan narilum jantia hapok kejingilam Menteri Sarkar uba kemi ketenat arts and culture uba san borsulai. Haka arpunya utrik ujeliu kilalit ai dorkas sa Menteri ketenat transport uba dasakyat bahala maria ban pane kejaka jong ketenat transport bantai umat saknam jong ukyang nang ba haka senang mi mentudu jawai. Ubasan borsulai rangkat kinong ilam ke Jantia Students Union ke senong mi mentedu ke kiang nang ba ya siat kenam Memorial Society Jawai kila ada kedorka sa uba da sakyat bahala mari haka ba kila panjaka 1,000 square feet jong keterat transport ke badan hami mentedu bantai umat sanam jong uklawat keri kiang nang ba nang bagi pat ba kenyo menlek buram yau ni ureu kraw ke jela. Uba ada sakyat bahala mare uloong ba unsa kemi ibnia akan kejeng kerpat la kalong na em ban ai kejaka na kebenta ke bahaka miat jong pat ba bat karilum jantia. Uloong ba unia kran bat ki he jong ka Meghalaya Transport Corporation lada kin long ban ai kejaka nre lada omla kin hab ban pasutu eki. Uloong ba udan kam mania kran bat ya tai shwa bat ki he officer ketenat transport Bakadai ban penti kena balada ajaka bante yumat sanam kanom kata apat ika projek jong ketenat transport kabakan le hakisnam manuan.
Kiwan request ya kendiat ijaka ban ai namanta ke statue jong walk yang nombak ki kwa ban penek ti kipan ke masalah square feet te ngala ong iking ong siapa chwa kada kalong feasible bat lada kalong ya hab ban ai te ngin sa namanta interest jong pai ba namanta ke interest jong Kancai Hills te ngin ai telah habakut pada kamlong ban ai le kami hab lada ke MTC kadang don kami ka jaka ban le ki project ki bron kam sakmat sufrang pat tingin haban ne klan pat ken hot nomor baka ka jingpang ka jong kilo ka blang specific hangta kimong ai kata ka jaka hangnu na gi suang bagi don kam hangta kata long ka ka request ka jing kerpat na kaliang jong kim don kanu ka jing yu ti ngin si pat ngin si suang bha bat ka MTC pat ka department ti ngin si pele de ka bala tingin an bomla pat tingin haban convince ki ba ka long
Menteri Sarkar Jela ubak dasakiat lamari ula pentim ba ula yu pediang ya shibun kijung ujor ne kilanat slei bat tua khandau ba ki sya thlia ni pendik haki ofisar sarkar ha ka ba ki lejwat jengeram kani kala ja ya ki khna ba di ki samla puli ki bamlap shu ya ki certificate ni ki kot ki sla ki bedan kam na ka jingwan len shop jong ki bor kamariang dakshan ha pok Jela
Menteri Sarkar Gejala Meghalaya ubak dasakiat bhalamari ulepen pawe gejing benyau persya ki ofisar sarkar ki bapendik batlia ki kena pulia habagilit pan jengerap ban yo ki kot kisla jongki namar gelaja anu na gejing wanan shop ki bor kamariang ya ki yeng kisem jongki ubak dasakiat ba ulong babon ki kena na keleng ki jaka ki lepen sngo chu bagila sya pendik baca atlia ki ofisar sarkar habagilit pan jengerap naki ban yo ki certificate bat ki kot ki badan kam kenang bagen la ban apply ki jing pulia ne ya ki kam Ulong bun ki kena kladu neja ki kot kisla na kajing wanan shop ki bor kamariang hendrai kini ki kena na lor bakil syamlanot kilamat pat sa kajing sya pendik ki officer sarkar habagilit pan jengerap Union Menteri Sarkar ula karpa ki officer juga tenat sarkar baper banerap lem kini ki kena ki badan hapan kajing bat ban pen stat ru ka kam jongki namar ki hab ban ai ki kot kisla jongki ban yo ai ha ki college bat kumju habaki apply kam Ulong mentaun kerpat syuai ki officer sarkar bat ungit scam bakin syimkia hendrai lada kim buram pat ikajing kerpat na kebenta ke bahak kamiat juga kena ke kenduk jeng banse ban lek ke beteng ya ki officer sarkar
Poi bet shanga nagpor shakapor habi de bat kini ki kena school kata kalong kidon katu gani ki kena school ki bawan ya thu yang ki bawan lagi mau ki bawan lagi jing itu ithau yang ki bawan lagi constituency ki bangang apet bawan lagi ki locality ki bangang asong ki bawan narum nang ki kena ki itu bana kadau ba ka jot no kayeng ka prano kayeng balek kamariang betua ka kendau ki ja ki kot kisla ne ki dan ki tiar gitar ki baja te khamtam ki tu ki khna ki badang sudah pas ki bahapan apply ki class ki college mau ki bahapan apply don ki bahapan apply ya ki kam ki jam ki baper ro ki department baper te kawan haskor ya ka jinyo sngo ba don ki por ba ki sha haras haki officer ki baper jong ka government ng Meghalaya te kane ka por ka pamanta ngasu kwa ban kerpat ya uway officer ka officer but ino ibalong in charge lene ibapet ya kane ka lenti ka ba kini ki khna ki ya ban penbiang ki ot kisla ki kila bandai ki birth certificate kila bandai ki certificate ki baper kila bandai ki kot kisla ki jinon kam ki baper sungo bhanga kerpat ipi wat pensitom ni kini ki khna te habakut pat telada pim sngap telada pim ya burompat ya ka jing kerpat ka ba mi nangi economic man namanta ke interest jong ki negi khna ki ba kendu e jing ya baper te ngimban se ngin hapan sim action te wat ailat yang bangin ni olat ban sim action ya pi hendrai sungoba na kerpat da jing surit sngap lem ya ka jing kerpat ka jongana manta ka sarkari na ka manta ki wei ki perlok amele ki jongahi ba ladawan ki khna ladawan manu ki ba kendu ya kitu jinge ki ba jia kini kita yo ki bladap balek ka kemi mariang yarap ya ki wan haras wat pendili ka kam ka jongki sengopa pendap klak nang memaki ropat kinyolat ban mare ban phet ban par sila ki jong ki kam ki jong ki kena makan long master ke
Ha kawai pat kaliang ubak da sakyat bha ulapan pau ke jingkemen bagi sarkar keladap menjur ban mang ya kepisah ke bakot cispa kat sau keluar tengka. Batchen ke company kan shnano ke surok sning jagirut. Ubak da sakyat bha uloong batang surang ke bedeng shen ke company kan sedang no ban shnai ke surok no sning jagirut ke badan 10 kilometer ha ke jinglut ke bakot cispa kat sau keluar tengka ke balabay da ke World Bank. Uloong bagani ke surok kelas sak kongreng mentala palat saupo ne saupusan senam hagaba amsyam ladan kanu ke jing maramot ke jing shnat mai bat kani ke lebuk kipat ba ke jing ke bakrau uloong ba kumbala ang nuat bala tristom na baro mentakan suurlong no bat dan sayo ke surok ke batamai ha kini ki hinriu ne nyu benai ki banwan uba da sakyat ba uloong bawa la amyale asyo ek election MLA na mawati hinriu lokular ban yai bud dian pat ha ke bedai bat kani ke surok
ngilayok ka lotmen kumbang la jukren na kapor ke basis pak khat sau krur tangka bat ka lotmen ngilayok ke siti tikena ngilayok bat kani ke kam ngatrai manta upteo lani uni upteo banwan lada uslap wailat mo de kani ka company ke bade ban tray ke balayo ya kani kan sedang no ya ke kam ban tray ya ka de kani ke khobor ma sukwa ban ya thu kenapa kan lor kum ke jik aimen sim mau yaki no song snong jong ka mauti konstitusi borok wa nrei kumbangi angnut kumba ngila ya tristom hi borok banyak penyo kala wan urlong no mentaban ngin sedang no kala syari cisi kade ke jing so tenat bat ke jing so shngan nagaleng jonga khamtam kumu emele no mikman hawat pang arpang ngila don ha pedeng ke jing do mensem do nganum len ya kata Andai lembaga jung donlang honorable chief minister jungi honorable deputy CM jungi bade minister in charge jang PWD roads ngilala ban pen urlong ya ka kumbangi yang nut dengan kermen scam hapo onru lane nyau benai ngin la ban pendep yau ka company ke bala yo ya ketika kam kan la ban pendep ya ketika surok ke bagi ngila angnut di sausan san posnem
Kaseng Riboy Youth Federation mentakata yogla let ban no nyang lem da ka song pisa ka ba silak tengka syaka khasi Students Union kum ka jingis nok tilang ha ka ban kersha ni ki samla pulie trai muluk jong ka jala ki bela sajid ban let ya ka coaching class jong ka examine civil service jong ka UPSC hanang ba Delhi
Da gajing temu ban kershan lem ka khasi Students Union ban pha ek samla ka jala ban yo jing hikai banele ek examine civil service jong ka UPSC. Ha ka arpu pratrik jeliau arhajar arpu ar kinong elam jong ka Riboy Youth Federation kilano senyang silak tengka chaka KSU. Presiden ka RBYF uba BP Thangkeu ula IT ka pisah Presiden ka KSU uba Lambok Starwell Marngar. Rengkat ke jingedon lang kinong elam jong ka KSU bat RBYF ha ke jingelang ka belalong ha ka office trekam jong ka KSU Hajayau Shillong. Uba Thangkeu ulong ba ke jing ai jingerap ka RBYF kalong ka barit nomor ka KSU kan hab ban plut pisabun ban pha ke samlah khasi ban let ka coaching banele ek examine civil service jong ka UPSC. Nang ba andakin pas ken long ki atiar jong ka jat benriu. Ulong ba keseng kesokya ba ka samlah khasi ke balapas ya ka examine civil service kat doe kadeh ka senam arhajar kat lai pada duk menta ka jat benriu kam shimlala ban penmi ya ki officer IAS IPS ne IFS. Uba Lambok Starwell Marngar ula ai kublai ya ka RBYF ke bala kloy ban no senyang syakaseng ban ula pen paru ek jing sungu ki weipat ki rushimet ke bala kloy ban ai jingerap ka KSU kenang bakan nak ban penurlong ya ke jing temu babah jongka na ke benta ban kentiu ya ka ribat ka jat benriu.
Hadin bangi yo lum cingtip bagi orang berkenan kila jet kila pelong ya exam buat kila don kumba ar spa tamngut ki kun samla ki hebret na ka keleng ke beri trap ki bawan ban apiar te exam kepala pelong te ki kaseng khasi Student Union Nehu unit te hadin kata pat ngi cingtip bagi kila jet laingut kita ki kena ki ban let coaching sapo Delhi lane sabar jung ka jela jungi ban pentibet ban yale ka exam UPSC ngi isya baka jela jungi ngi duna kita ki officers ki IAS officer dan ki IPS officers nadu usnem arja khalai kat saw ngi mdon su tang weiru I samla khasi jungi lani jentia ibala pendep la banlong kita ki kum kita ki officers ban pat ki terekam ber hapo ka jela Riboy lane jela Meghalaya Tekum ngi pat ba kani ka seng. Khasi student union kami sisa ban ai ta ka jingkershan ban pha ye ta kun samla jungi na po ka brinyo trap news kum bat ngi tip ru ba ka jinglut kan long ba khrau. De halo kani ka mat ngi wara no ka jing yakran ka executive committee jong ka seng ka ba ngi sim sno ka rai ba ngin ya no senyang lang kum ka dak kum kan yarap ya ki siu bat seluruh ya khasi student union ba ka di banya sakmat ya kum kani ka benta ban penmi ya kita ki officers jong ka Jack Bendru ke jungi kenapa kinlong kita ki aset nama tak kejelahi barakawai. Kalau ni kemat ngilai phone ya ba Lombok Star Marngar bat ngilai ikut ya i ba ngin poi ke office jong ka khasi student union menta kasngi ka porsi beji bat ngai khublei ru ya i bat kumju ya kiwi git khot jong khasi student union ki baladon kat bat ngi ban sakhi ya kata ka jingai jong ka seng kum si benta baniara ban kentu wal ada ke barit ngi pej ya ka jinglut ka baki pelun handai ngi kerman scam ba kani kan long ka jingstang jong ki seng balang pat na kalian ka RBF ban ngi kerman scam ba long jingstang ba kiwi seng balang dan kiwi ki paj ba ki ba don ki ba em kin yu ilang bat kin yawan lang sakmat ban kentiu ya kum kani ka benta ba kani ka seng khasi student union kala le na ka benta ka Jack Bendru hi barakawai.
Usembut Menteri Rambak Kejelau ba Preston Tensong mentah kata yau ula pli bat ba ya ka kerdap ka ba penuan dur thamai jong ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital. Kabala beitengka da Menteri Rambak Berem Kejelau Dr. Didi Lepang bat ka yeng ka sem ka jong kum si benta ban ya dan lang ha ka jing rakhi jong ka ni hospital ya ka jing dap sispa senem.
Ban ya dan bentalang ha ka jing rakhi ya kejeng dapsis Pak Senam ke Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital. Unong aibut jong Sorkar Jelau Dr. Didi Lapang bat kayeng kesem jong kilenok senyang daga bapenshna bat penuandur thamai ke kerdap jong ke hospital. Usembut Menteri Rambak ke Jelau ba Preston Tensong hak arpu pratrik ujeliu arajar arpuar ula plepat ba ekani ke kerdap hak balai don lang Dr. Didi Lapang rengkat bat ikurim jong ikong Amethyst Linda Bla bat kiksio Chairman ke hospital's governing body Reverend SS Majau Medical Superintendent ke hospital Dr. R. Nongrum, Chief Secretary Berem Kejela uba WMS Pariat bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba Preston Tensong lero bat penpau ke jing sungu iki doktor kinos bat kinong trei bat nong peniat jong ke H. Gordon Roberts Hospital kibala nok senyang ya kejela ha ke jing kun persya ke kelam COVID-19. Ulong wala ke hospital kala kenjok si spak senam ke jing ya linti jong ka bat ai jing syakri ki pat ba. Ula kitbok ba ke hospital kan yai beteng bat ai jing syakri ha ki senam ki banwan. Ulang bupang nut bani iya ki kot kubor ke ai ke belajar mencuah ke hospital. Bat ula kentu ke governing body bat ya baro. Ba kum ke jengja kam desyo banja. Ula kentu ki bor badi kmi ke hospital bakin pak ke jeng thok ke Sorkar Jela kenang ban yo ban aina ke surok ke kerteng jung Dr. H. Gordon Roberts ubala pentip ba ke Sorkar kan sepensa namru yo Thomas Jones ubalong kupa ki dak thok kasi ha ke ban ai kerteng ke surok na tengar sedok nong Saulia da ke Thomas Jones Road. Nakaliang Dr. Didi Lapang luang ba ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital ke hospital ke bam junyo siliang yano yanoru. Ha ka ba ki balong kristan na ki bam day ki kristan ki yo ke jing sumar. Bat wat ki beri ke benabar ke jelaru ki yo ke jing sumar bat kani ke jing kraw jong kani ke hospital.
God was there, never left the room. Ubom pen kenyu tulang ulang. Walau ubom pen lep yusai hamsat dan nganom sim tulang mikubor. Kau apa ni cuma kendiat, bakum kayen day bakan ni dijing nok senyang dari lupa. Pikirlah long kejeng jam, agak senyum, kat kena pasal pupra. Bila ulam hamne ya Mrs. Lapang, ban hamne hospital, ban wan kaklo, ya bakon menangkong itu keteng. Doli ikun yogi. Itu terhiu, itu nak kamera jauh Mrs. Lapang bertiap. Entah itu doktor train berkot saya. Yang mana yang ajar, belajar juga ni akibat kedur jauh Mrs. Lapang kali bukan. Doktor Lapang ini sih. Mana kan doang no. Amethyst dan petang berjama. Amethyst Peruan Pai nak kejengnya dosu yang boleh tak te selong kemen baru armut kelong berkemi dilakon dah sisa isyam boleh ulang kau dengan ibu yang boleh bah kalau boleh kalau mengelak meneh ibu tu nama kata kalau dia long kejeng kejeng lagi yang boleh berniai musida deh ya kini kejeng dia baru bantang imsim di kabarong tang personal kejeng ini kalau kejeng ibu boleh ya ketenja jauh dari masalah kan deh ketenja juga kalau kan barang yang kapor nang ibu nang sempurna menong ingat cepat tahu tuang doktor obat kita karena ibu mentah kan ya baka partai saya kan itu ya kini saudara ban berkenal apa kamu dia ko ya kentin long fellow apa poin jumu a sum of life kemudian kini kita lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime and departing leaves behind us footprints on the sands of time.
UMLA ka mau plang oba Eugene San Lingdo menta kata yo la ai so baha da ka laptop ya isamla ame ba ai hunsha kharbi kum gajing ai min sim ya ini isamla ibala yo ya ka kedan ka beningkong ha ka examen SSLC badang sudah benar result dang shen da ka embos
ha gajing lang belengkot balapenlong ha kisnong moreng ha gajing don lang unom ikmat kathan uba Eugene San Lingdo lapen long ya kejing lang pengkup buram ya I ame ba ai hun syakharbi ha ka ying snong hamoreng kum kadak mane kemen lang ya kejing job jong I belayo ke kerdan bendengkong ha ka examen SSLC balapen long dak embos ka bra sumi result dangshan ha gane gajan miet na lor kinong alam jong snong ki bahayang bahasem bat ki kemiki pa Laidon rengkat ru Father Jamaris principal ke St. Paul's High Secondary School Marbisu bat kibai ke belasyak khot sungubha. Father Jamaris celah haba ajing keren ulong bagalong gejing sarong hadu kata-kata ke skol bagalayo ekan nam hagaba ini kena skol ilawan benengkong ha kejing yakun ya ke examen SSLC. Bari leong bagajing job jengi kalong gejing ai men siam lang ya ki weiru bakin don ya kejuk kemen siam menekun ha ke examen baper. Ulang syo bagi sekolah kita nong kendong kem duna syo habinu jor bagi sekolah ki basor mereka syong satang haki kena bakin minat bat bakin poi syakatong unong mi kamar kathan uba Eugene San Lingdo ulai ke jingero ya I ame ba ai hunsha ibal poi kene ke kerdan ke benengkong bat ulong bakan nie kan long eke kamar ai mensim ki weipat baru ulong ba ompoi perkhat ba kene ke kerdan ke bahajrong ba andai ne ke constituency jung Amar ulong babon ki skul ke belapa ke jela. Baru ulong ru bana kisan ponyo hajar ngut ke belele ke examen indai mai ibalawan ha kerdan ke bandingkong Baru ulong bagane ke lentiat ke jeng kenang bon ke jeng dari benang berobor ibat tristom bat baminot.
Doala mondong bakin saitam ha ke jela ke jeng Nga kali ni meneng ong ketemu ki kena kiba mikmat banyak kun ya ka SSLC exam. Yang kumba sampunyo wajar da sampunyo wajar kinong ikon mai bakin saitam kam dega bok ndai kani ga di kristam ke jong I ke jingesha ba kristam ka da jingesha
Hadian live arsnem ke jeng pos new bat ke jeng kmilinti ke Lengkap Primary Milk Producer Cooperative Society kala yo ialah kajong kajaka budut ni ka Milk Collection Center kabalate da kajing kersan bisa menteri rang ba kajala Conrad Kongkel Sangma bad MLA kamelim uba Hamlet Son Doling ya katege center kabalashna ha kajing lut ke bapoi kumbalai pun riu laktam lapli pat ba da menteri rang ba kajala Conrad ke Sangma ha kasinengkong Rengkat ke jengidan lang uba Hamlet Doling ubade menteri ke sarkar jela. Menteri rang ba haba keren kumukongsan ulong ba ke sarkar kala yo I ke jeng Tibet jong kinong chong snong ban tre kam la jong. Hendrei ke bagi pat ba ki don kam baru kata kalong tang ban kersa ni ki khendiat. Lakalong da ka jing kersan pisa ka jing plilat ya ka yo ka han bat ru ha ka jing betin lenti. Menteri rang ba ulai thu ru ba hadian ba MLA ka than pentip e ka jing dan kam jong ka society Klempen Slam ula kular ban ajing kersan pisa ban tei ya ka tiket center. MLA ka than ba Hamlet Sandok leng pan ula ong ba hadian ba ka society kala yo ya ka arpnyo lak tangka na menteri rang ba kisam ba ka pisa kadang duna bat kumtahi mardor ula mang sa khandai lang na ka liang ka jong ban yo pendep ya ka tiket center. Hakani singi MLA ula karpat ru ya menteri rang ba na kabentaban mang pisa syu ban snapat sa kawai ka kamera ban aji kai gitu gi bakwa ban shim ya ka kamri masi kum kawai ni kilat kamai kaji halor kaniru menteri rang ba Klempen Slam ula kular bande ya ka badan kam
gap that is there in what the public wants to do or they are doing and the absence of a support system to really give them that additional push, that additional funds, that additional training. This gap is what we felt as a government had been missing for a very long time. A lot of times what happens is government tries to do things that they think is correct. The Chief Minister tries to do something that he thinks is right. The minister or the official will try to do and try to tell you to do what you should do. Not realizing that you already know what you want to do and you already are doing things. But the question is, how do we connect your efforts and the public's efforts along with the government's resources and the efforts that we put in? And that has always been, I feel, a challenge and an area which has caused a lot of delay, I should say, in actually making things happen. And therefore, when we came into the government, we didn't try to do new things or try to innovate or try to tell you that do this and do that. We try to find out what it is that the public wants to do or what is it that the public is already doing. And then see if we can financially help you, technologically help you, manpower-wise give you the training, and just make it better.
Ban pendu no aha ka ba pendan kam ye ki plastik hayo du shelong kadai ka thong ka ba labu da ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council labun benai menta ka ba long ka sin jam ban yada na ka jing penja khliai ka meram o ya ka ni ka thong la kershan ru da ka Himamal Liem bat ki board jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka ba la aipor khat du ru ye ki nong khayi hayo ban om pendan kam shu ye ki plastik hadian baka sarkar kla betha shaki board jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Himamal Liem ban om sha shu ban pendan kam ki plastik ki bahapo ka nyopusan micron ka jing reben nakaliang kini ki board ki beri kmiru ki la betha ru ya ki nong khayi hayo du shelong ban sange ano ka jing pendan kam ki plastik ha ka ba la aipor ru yaki Henry la yo jing tepan ba ki don ki katu ani ki dukan ki bedang ya lat ya kan ki jing betha jong ka ki HEDC ba ka Himamal Liem kumta hadian balakut ka jing aipor ha ka sitere unai tung arajar arpoar ha pedeng ka jing edan lang ki board jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board balami khmat da senior environmental engineer uba WR Kharkrang u deputy secretary ba Kmi yakatna sanitation jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Andi Basayomod bat ki menteri jo ka Himamal Liem kilalet jurep kensan ya bun tli ki dukan hayo du shelong kenthop na du ki dukan ki badi ki mar ki mata ki ba pendan kam ban song di ki plastik bat ki dukan ki badi ki plastik hakani ki jinglet jurep kani ka kenhun kelalap markmat ba ki dang don bun ki dukan ki bedang pendan kam ki plastik ban song ye ki mar ki mata kam tam ki dukan dedo bat dok ha ki ba pen paw ki jing ba ki de ki mar ki bedai bat dan ru ki dukan di plastik ki bedang die da ka ba ai daw ba ki de ki banadu menshwa kumta ye ki ni ki plastik la kurup no bat ki dukan di ye ki mar pampat la shu a ye ki jing maham ka ba khat du
Aja mulai mafisia kini kan. Dan ni mau banyak saya ada pelai berpenduk lagi plastik chips pada kau jadi kuat yuk dulu karawat. Masuk dulu ya. Ini kayak sok silakan ni kau.
Kentulang di bawah yo kakak juga patuhi kan kanyara
kan melihat stesen khắp mình đâu nhận thao ya kan
hi nakali anjungi kahina hi magasarkar kalau dukno batukran ni nak benda kapal stek pan peduno ayo tu nama ba karai ni ke blok kini ke benda blok nama ni ke dole bro kapan coba kapal stek ya kenala baci ya i pasulok udan bon kayak yang kapan thot dan nata kada ni kum kahina hapsim inaban rung ayo ban ong iki bagi pasti kam suke ba om de tamanta ina ya adon asensi te ila benar ba ya ki nong su yo natu kitare ke kat kum sarkar ba tha sarkar ni ba nim de ban kam pasti
Kaseng New Trap Youth Council so Young Circle haka arpo praterik mata benai kalalik ujor biang syaka Deputy Commissioner Supply joka East Khasi Hills halor ke jengkeno baki Fair Price Shop lani ki dukan ration ki badan haka senong mar pena so Young kila sim tam ye kador jengki mar bam ration na kador kabala but ka sarkar jela ka HYC kala aisundan na kador khas syaka ni ka kli du jongka district Habapan kan mau baka seng kala dep ban wan ujor teng ha ka chipotri ujeliu halor kani ka ju ka jeng keno le tam jong ki Fair Price Shop ya ka baka office kampat chim la le EA ka bala wan ra ka jeng u jeng nam jong ki pat ba ki bala haban siu yo khau PHH bat AAY ha ka dor santangka kilu kala pentep ru ba ya kani ka rai ban shim tam ya ka bai khau ka dei ka ba shim da ka dor bar snong kabala syong jingelang ha ka nyutrik ujemang arjar apuat kaseng HYC kala kentu ya kani ka kli du jong ka district bakan tuklar mardor ban hukum ki Fair Price Shop baki de ben penhiar biang ya ka dor kumbala bu da ka sarkar kabalong ha ka dor lai tengka yo khau PHH bat AAY
kapaklian ka bangi pa saki senang ba fair hot ki bun ba ki senang ki bana kalian ka New Trap Youth Council unjuk ki unit ki dan apa kaseng apa ka circle jongi nilai bu ka komplain nak pos ka por ba alor ka jing sim tam ki ne ki nong sam khau ya ubai khau rashot te ka message ka baklian ni kwa ban ai ki senang ba fair ba kim dai ban sim tam ya ka bai khau rashot kim dai ban yon ben ya ki pai ba nong song senang ki ba yo je mentoi ne khau rashot handai ladon keno jing e nak kalian ka seng ni long ka bala kloi ban ya kran le ban ya ajing mot sak sarkar le ban ni konsol nang ba kanam don su kono ka jige handai ban yon yik pai ba ada ka basim ha ka dor ka bariam ngaso ba nang leng jini kum seng ini yai persya ba nginam aila te kum tang khot ya ka jingi trilang jogi senang ba fair ba ki sobha ban dai ban sim tam ya ka dor bar ban sim ha ka dor ka biang kum ka jingbu jok sarkar ka dor kum ka jingbu jok sarkar nam tau leu khau PHS ba de AY ka dei santangka sikilo lai tangka sikilo te henrai gidon kisnong ki ba sim tam tanang liang jongi nak pos report ba ong mentah ni sya jua komplain po PTC bar kito kisnong ki balai sim kya bar kisim ki bayat bet tiket kum jing tha jong sarkar kisim bai lai tangka sikilo bar kum jing dor sarkar
kidar basnong bar kino sampai kumla bar penkiu na bar penhiar dor yo ne ka risan balamang dak sarkar kidon ru nak kisnong jingi ki ba mutala lai benai kamnu chu ban sim yu kharu nomor kejing penkiu dor yo ne ka risan wat yu kha ba sarkar balamang ban yo ai rekine kidila kena sim ko do akar tengka sikilo kelapayan kata ka bagali artuka sikilo kalau ka ai ka ba sosi nak leng jingi ku kasang ngidap tu mesin ke jing sokia alor jong kini kinong song snong nomor khamtam ni hasnong giton di kibri beduk ba belan mesngi ba menit kalau ka ai ka ba pensi ini kum kinong lah
Ini jubah apa pihak na ini DC?
Kajubah ke bangi yo da DC na EDC kalau ba EDC bila pak ya ka ya kinong inquiry barshan leng ba kata inquiry ke ba ki officer nang ne po DC office ba net satai isa simkhya ya kata ai ka halor ka inquiry ke ban mi nak ta jing komplek jing
ban pen pau perthai ya di ti ten rai jong ukun ka bri nyok tram ka kanun tem ka bapau na kaning no ba shalong ka balali tem tengru sekiri ki badan ha Europe menta ka kenti ka lala ban penmi ya ka we ki jing ruai rengkat ka music video ha ka ba la pen pau ya ka kom im ten rai jong khasi na du karyam ka bed ka bam ten rai bet ki we di ki jing long ten rai ka kanun sama sal ha ka jing elang ka balalong ha ka arpun rai tri ubnai jeliu menta usnem arajar arpuar ha Asian Confluence la pelat pet ba ya kawai ka music video jong ka jingruai khasi ka bala ai kerteng mlo kawai ni ki jingruai ka bala sot na ka thup jingruai ka ba ar jong ni ka kunhun ka bala ai kerteng clear ka badan khatwai tili ki jingruai baro iba kan thup ya ki hinri tili ki jingruai ka ktien khasi ba san tili ha ka ktien phareng la pen bet pen biang ya ka ni ki jingruai ba ki music video jong kam lu rengkat ka jing kersan lang jong ka kunhun ka batrei na ka benta ban penne ya ka meram o bat ban eat ya la ka jong ka tenrai kata ka kunhun North East Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society kata ka NSFAS ya ka ni ki jingruai ha ka ni sngi la plai pat ba ha YouTube da executive director ka NSFAS uba Pius Rani rengkat ka kunhun sama sat habakran nga jingelang udukot ubah khamat jong ni ka kunhun uba ket kupar sang pliang rengkat ka nong ruai ka ba khamat jong ni ka kunhun ikong pensuk im yong kilei thu ba halor ka jingya lenti jong ki ban penbet.
We therefore hope that this video will inspire young people to become beacons of hope for the sustainable future that we want. We hope that also this video will inspire other songwriters to develop songs and lyrics that will promote local food systems like shifting cultivation, bone cultivation, paddy field, and other food systems that we have. Through such songs and videos, we also seek to build the networks with other farmers, not from Meghalaya, but other farmers from the other states. This video will also reflect our close relationship with our nature, and we hope that the indigenous knowledge system will thrive in the future generations.
Dakatu kubor nila po isa ka bakut jang katu kubor jang imita kata yaw in say siyam pat pi le siyam te yaw ka juk si ka juk por sa si sen pat le shibor